something huge is brewing on the back end for Jasmy. And not only do the charts show that massive brew up, but also the $1 trillion investment that is said to be a part of a Japan/United States of America strategic economic partnership. Now, all of this money will go somewhere, and it is likely speculated that it will end up in the Jasmy realms. Specifically, as blockchain has become a massive part of the global economic world, and even for the United States specifically, has decided to embrace cryptocurrency as a formal investment and a formal actual method of payment. Now, of course, what we are talking about here is revolutionary. It will bring in billions, if not trillions of dollars onto the Jasmy token and onto the Junction, which is the Jasmy chain that is currently being developed. And in fact, there's a clip that was been posted that is literally right here. It's live. I'm about to show you guys it right now, but it really talks about such a massive partnership infusing trillions of dollars into the Japanese economy and into the United States economy. And when we look at it from a big picture, that money is going to go into Japan. Japan leads in its IoT technology, which when you look at businesses that are number one in Japan for IoT technology, it is Jasmy. Also, the Jasmy coin is labeled as a Japanese Bitcoin. So as that money makes its way into the Japanese economy, I believe, and this is my personal opinion, a big chunk of it will actually end up in the Jasmy company. Now, of course, I want you guys to take a listen to this because I think this clip is extremely important. So let's go ahead and roll it.
Also, with the inauguration of President Trump, the momentum for Japanese companies to invest in the United States is growing even stronger. Today, I conveyed my willingness to cooperate together to elevate Japan's investment in the United States to an unprecedented amount of $1 trillion. President Trump and myself also concurred to elevate the Japan-U.S. partnership to an even higher level through improving business environment and increasing bilateral investment and employment, strengthening each other's industries, leading the world in developing advanced technologies such as AI and leading-edge semiconductors, and strongly promoting efforts to harness the energy of the growing market in the Indo-Pacific. Also, with the inauguration...
I want to also remind you, once again, that Jasmy is set to actually fly next week. Pack your bags immediately, because as many people have stated, Jasmy is in what's called the banana zone, which is basically a consolidation period where a parabolic push upwards is trajected. So as you guys can see here, we're going to do that slide. We've already done the retracement, and now it's going to consolidate before doing a massive parabolic uptrend where it skyrockets to about tenfold where it's currently sitting at. So just definitely something to keep in mind. And even when we look at the daily market update for Jasmy and we look at the overall crypto market, as you guys can see, this is live prices, it's live changing as we look at it. But take a look at this. Bitcoin is actually down substantially. It's about $4,000 below 100 grand. It's up about 0.46% after a major retracement right here. But when you look at the overall market, actually it's very consolidating. So Jasmy to be up a couple percent, which I'll show you guys, there's been priced very, very soon in the next couple seconds here, but you'll see that Jasmy is performing a lot better, substantially better, in fact, than almost all the other tokens out there, specifically when you're looking at, in the top 100. But Bitcoin, again, $4,000, less than 100 grand, so 96,000. Ethereum, 2,600. XRP, $2.43. I mean, let's load some more tokens here. You got Avalanche, but all of this, and let's go all the way down to Jasmy, obviously. I already have it, but you can take a look right here. When you take a look at where these cryptocurrencies are sitting at, again, most are consolidating around the 2-3%. Some of them even down, like for this one, ASA, which is Artificial Superintelligence Alliance. You got a chunk of them that are in the red here. But here's Jasmy right here, where you can see it, and again, it is actually going up. As you can see, it's up about 0.13%, so about close to 0.5%, sitting at 0.02251. But guys, when you take a look at the bigger picture here, and this is what I want everybody to pay attention to, again, it is performing as it is expected, where we're getting that banana slide formation. And we can clearly see that when we look at it from a volume perspective, the volume is up about 21.13% in the last 24 hours. The volume is sitting at 74.5 million USD in the last 24 hours, with a total circulating supply of 49.4 billion and a total max supply of 50 billion Jasmy. But even when you take a look here at the overall holdings, I mean, Jasmy is growing substantially. Take a look at this, guys. Just about a week ago, we were sitting close to about 85,000 holders. Now we're sitting at 88.6 thousand holders. And even for the top holders here, again, they're all massive institutions. Yeah, Binance is number one, Crypto.com, Revolt, Mex. Again, all these are literally the top holders of Jasmy. So if you see these institutions accumulating Jasmy, just think about, why are these institutions accumulating? They must know something on the back, and something massive must be brewing. But as we conclude the Jasmy daily market update, let's shift over to the crypto trading fund, which is actually something that we've been paying attention to for some time now. When you take a look at it, it's up on the yearly about 338%, and the all-time high, which is about a year and a half, it's up 160,000%. So guys, this is what we're talking about. You know, on the big picture of things, the CTF token is absolutely doing fantastic. Its volume is sitting at about 31,000, so it's down about 31% in terms of volume. But when you look at it in terms of price, last 7 days, it's up 2.34%. It actually does need a retracement, because if you look at it, guys, it was sitting at about 101. Now it's about 88 cents. So this is a good accumulation phase. You'd already hit the retracement, and now we're looking at it going and doing a bounce back up here. So again, when you take a look at it, I mean, the market is extremely bullish for, you know, community sentiment. I mean, even when looking at this, you got CTF is going to 700, CTF is going to $20, but it's all about how much money is going to be facilitated, guys. When you take a look at the big picture for the crypto trading fund as an institution, and something that people always misunderstand is, everybody focuses on the price of, you know, the token for Jasmy or for CTF or for any other coin, but rather you should look at the actual institution backing it and behind it. The crypto trading fund has already made it clear that they facilitated over $2.23 million in transactions alone. They've also onboarded Amazon and they've onboarded Walmart in their beta phase. So this system is not yet live, but they've already onboarded them and they're doing these trial testing and all of that sort of thing in terms of development. And again, all this information is directly from their Twitter, so I'm not saying things just for saying them. I mean, everything I'm saying is from their Twitter again here, because they've officially announced it. They've also announced that they have currently basically almost concluded development of their own app, which is the Crypto Trading Fund app, which is extremely unique, and it's insane because we've never seen a project that has that before. A app that allows you to actually do transactions using your, you know, the main rewards token. So the Crypto Trading Fund token actually earned that Crypto Trading Fund token through their actual personalized built framework. Here it is again, 2.23 million in receipt submissions, and they've already announced that the 80%, and this is still in beta phase, 80% from Walmart and 20% from Amazon. So this is, again, when you look at it, institutional use will be onboarding the Crypto Trading Fund framework here. Now, when I also look at it from another angle, we're seeing massive institutions basically try and partner up with the Crypto Trading Fund framework. One of them is Ban Exchange, which is actually extremely unique because we constantly use Ben Exchange to look at all the latest prices, guys. I was just showing you guys the down price using Ben Exchange, which is the first ever multi-chain platform. I personally love Ben Exchange just because of the fact that everything is live, as you guys can see. As I'm looking at it, as I'm recording, I see the price change, which is something that nobody else has in terms of a platform. But this is a I'd say a multi-million-dollar platform right here, the Ben Exchange company. Now, of course, when you look at it here, I mean, to have these institutions try and jump on board and partner with the Crypto Trading Fund is extremely bullish. But that's not all. I mean, some of the most common names are Amazon and Walmart, which have literally onboarded with them. But again, they've also announced OKX Decentralized as well, that has decided to partner and kind of onboard the Crypto Trading Fund framework here. But this is only the start, guys. I know they've officially announced March 1st is a pivotal milestone in a moment. So I'm expecting another massive fundamental either partnership, announcement of some sort, but something to definitely keep in mind, because as we get closer and closer to the date, more money will transact, and obviously this could end up reflecting in the value of the CTF token. Now, I do want to say that I'm not a financial advisor, it's not financial advice, and I do your own research, but I'm just telling you guys all the latest updates on the news, and this is exactly what's going on, guys. And, you know, cryptos at this point in time are flip of a switch. One day you wake up, it's worth, you know, 100 billion market cap or 100 million market cap, and CTF right now is low. It's only sitting at about 1 million market cap, which again, when you look at it, it's actually nothing. 4 million market cap right here is absolutely nothing when you have the potential of it hitting 400 million or 1 billion market cap, which is actually very, very, very much possible. But again, here are the charts as well. We've already seen it, but here's another version of the charts. Again, you can see it currently sitting at 89 cents. The nice little retracement here that we've talked about, and obviously we're doing the bounce back. And we did see, this is crazy enough, and as we talk about this, I'm going to go ahead and do this for a second. Crazy enough, we've seen a similar pattern almost exactly when you look at this. I mean, take a look at this line right here. Every time we've seen a retracement, or almost every time we've seen a retracement, even here, let's say, you get that bounce back upwards. You get the bounce back up. So we've basically hit close to that number right here. Then we've seen that retracement pull back up all the way up here. So it is expected that, again, we did hit that retracement level, and now we're moving back up in this style formation. But this should be even a bigger pump because the previous one, as you guys can see here, it should always surpass the previous one. But again, guys, I will be leaving all the information down below in the description, all the links, everything, because I definitely recommend you guys do your own research on this, because I think it's definitely keep an eye out for. So yeah. Now, of course, guys, with all that being said, I do want to end the video here. So if you guys did enjoy it, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel with your post notifications, and share this video. And again, if you want to check out benexchange.com, I think they're absolutely fantastic as a platform, and they actually have their own personalized app. So if you want to get it on Android as well, to see live prices as it happens, you can also swap, so you can do transactions, you can buy Jasmy, you can do all that stuff. You can buy Jasmy with crypto, you can also buy Jasmy with card. Again, extremely unique features, but you can download it directly on Android. All you got to do is scan the the QR code or click here to download, or just search Ben Exchange on Android Play Store. With that being said, guys, I will end the video here. So if you guys did enjoy it, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel with post notifications, share this video. I'll see you next time, and peace.